According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, there's a national emergency when it comes to kids and mental health. Several local leaders held a forum in Maple Grove to talk about how to help kids struggling with mental health challenges.
Normalizing the discussion around mental health, I think, is really important.
As a new school year starts, local leaders are trying to figure out how to help kids work through mental health challenges, which increased during the pandemic.
That sense of belonging eroded a bit. The isolation that we all kind of felt at times set in, so we're trying to turn that around, and how do we create greater connections from our bus drivers to our food service workers all the way up to the mental health therapists.
Most Hennepin County schools now have a mental health professional on site. County Commissioner Kevin Anderson says that's vital in helping recognize kids that might be in crisis.
Being able to find ways of connecting to the students at that moment and in that space, I think, is hugely important.
At a forum Wednesday, therapists, school administrators, first responders, and parents talked about how to help kids achieve mental fitness.
Teaching them how to ground themselves, how to focus themselves when they are in a moment of crisis or semi-crisis. These kids aren't learning in school how to handle their emotions. And these are some really big feelings we've got going on in middle school, into high school.
Intense feelings certainly played a role after a shooting at Plymouth Middle School last year, in which a student fired multiple shots into a hallway ceiling. Plymouth Public Safety Director Eric Fadden spoke about the incident.
We have spent countless hours working with school staff and mental health professionals to just find those gaps that, if the pandemic ever swings to a position where we're doing this again, there are some gaps that we've identified through that we need to make sure that we're keeping kids connected.
School officials say there's still a stigma when it comes to mental health, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. But just talking about it could lead to progress. In Maple Grove, Jason Malillo, CCX News.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.